Hi, and welcome to this episode of He's Crafty. You know, this year for Halloween, we're going with an awesome theme of 80s horror for our decorating.
And it's not 80s horror unless you include Freddy Krueger.
Word?
That's why today we'll be building a prop from Nightmare on Elm Street 3, Dream Warriors, and one of Freddy's most iconic kills.
Dream Warriors is my personal favorite of the series, as it was the first Nightmare on Elm Street I saw in the movie theater. It was also the first Elm Street that started to develop Freddy's personality, when he would drop dope lines like this.
Welcome to prime time, bitch.
And of course, who could forget Dokken? This was the first Elm Street where you see a group of people fighting against Freddy, and they were learning to control their dreams. This allowed them to have badass powers and dope-ass outfits, like this.
Hey man, I told you I was Kincaid, bro.
No, bro. You know I said I was Kincaid.
Then who am I supposed to be?
Yeah, you can be that wizard dude.
Oh, hell no, I'm not gonna be that dork wizard.
Why not? You got glasses?
Hey bro, you got glasses too, so you be the dork wizard. I'd rather be that rocker chick with the mohawk.
Okay, do it then.
Hey, I'll tell you what, we can sort this out while we do this build, okay? Freaking wizard, dork wizard. So I found this vintage television set on Facebook Marketplace for 15 bucks, and I gutted it. Keep the parts for later, we can use these. I'm gonna build the arms of this out of 1.5-inch PVC. I cut the spots on the side of the TV with a Sawzall, and I spray painted all the PVC black. Started off with a 9-inch section of PVC and attached a 60-degree elbow. Then I attached a 6-inch section and a 90-degree elbow. The final section I'll cut later when I figure out how long these need to be. Next I got this sweet nightgown, some fake hands and feet, and some painter's coveralls with a hood. Let's put the coveralls inside the nightgown and attach the hands and feet. Now it's time for my favorite, spray foam. Great stuff, sponsorship. We're just gonna cut some holes in the coveralls and start filling them with foam. Make sure you don't overfill these because it'll dry and expand. It's looking good and starting to dry. If you notice, I did not fill the hood with foam. Instead, I'm gonna use a styrofoam head. And I'm just gonna pop it inside there. Just like this. Now it's time for that sweet 80s hair, yo. Once the dummy is dry, we can measure out how long the arms of the TV will be. We wanna attach the arms to her shoulders. After I cut down the arms, it's time to attach the hands to the ends of the PVC. Just use some cheap skeleton, glow-in-the-dark skeleton hands and spray painted them black. Everything is looking good. That's usually when this happens. Somehow, my professional measurements are off, and she might be a little bit too short. She kind of looks like Deadpool when he's growing back his legs. Let's just remove those feet, and give her some grown-up legs. These'll work. I inserted a post in the end of each of these legs, and I hot glued them into place. Then I attached that back to our dummy and spray foamed them to lock them in. Normally I would sculpt a Freddy head for this, but I ain't got time for all that. I got other Halloween decorations to do. So I'm gonna use this mask on another styrofoam head. I'm gonna put some terracotta clay around the eyes so it doesn't look like a mask on a foam head. Okay, these teeth look like garbage and they need to go. Let's replace them with this pair from Trick or Treat Studios. I'm just gonna hot glue these right onto the foam head. Now we're just gonna pop this Freddy mask onto the styrofoam head and add some eyes. I got these eyes from deadheadprops.com. Check them out. Oh, he's a looker. Now I'm gonna cut the teeth out of the mask to reveal the teeth underneath. You can get this lined up all properly, and then you can even hot glue the mask to the foam head if you don't want it to move. It's looking much better. I cut another hole on top of the TV and I ran this post into it. I hot glued it into place and I put Freddy's head on it. Don't forget the antennas, yo. So far, this is coming together nicely. I'm gonna run 2 of these short circuit light bulbs inside for effect. Ooh. Okay, there's holes on the bottom of the TV where you can run these lights up through. You can add a fogger also if you choose to. And some dope sound effects like zzz, 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 zzz. Now it's time to attach our dummy. Just line the hands up with her shoulders and you screw them right into the foam. The foam dummy is pretty lightweight, so the arms can easily support it. I had this other old TV to use for parts, but I also took a trip to the junkyard to pull a bunch of wires and random stuff like this for the arms. Then I just started to attach them to the PVC with hot glue and zip ties. For the TV screen, I used a mirror effect spray paint on a piece of plexiglass and broke off pieces. I hot glued them into place on the TV for the finishing touch. And there it is, one of Freddy's most iconic kills in all of its glory. Like I said at the start, Nightmare on Elm Street 3 Dream Warriors is definitely my favorite of the franchise. This is definitely one of Freddy's top 5 kills in my opinion.
Fuck the prime time, bitch!
And that about wraps it up for this episode of He's Crafty. I don't know about you, man, but this kicked my ass. I'm tired. Whoa. Are we dreaming?
Yeah, I think so. Look!
A creepy baby with a cheese grater?
No! Look! Freddy Krueger!
I can hear the fear in your voices.
Fear?
Hell no! This is dope!
What?
We're huge fans.
Huge fans!
This is awesome.
Totally awesome!
No. You should fear me, my children.
Children? Well, that might be a bit on the creepy side.
Yeah, that's a little bit. That's a little bit. Hey, wait. Hey, remember when you changed that girl into like a roach and you crushed her?
Yeah. Remember when you killed Johnny Depp?
Yeah! Classic!
Those were classic kills, but you're supposed to be afraid of me. You guys are lame. Just go ahead and wake up, lamos.
Wake up! No way!
No, we want to hang out with you, man.
Hey, remember when you turned that kid into a puppet with his own tendons or something? It was crazy.
Yeah, and how about when you killed that girl from Destiny's Child?
Yes, dude. Yes.
That was Jason, you tools.
That's right.
Oh yeah, she just talked some shit to you.
Oh, she did, right? Yeah, she tore into your ass, bro. That was awesome.
It was totally awesome.
You guys are super annoying. Please, wake up. Please.
He's crafty.